Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will show you new models of metal furniture or metal decorations from which you can be inspired for your projects. We post videos every day, and if you stay until the end you will find tons of ideas to be inspired by for your projects. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe so you never miss out on these awesome furniture, decor and craft ideas. Check the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video because your likes and shares allow us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Decorative wrought iron is a popular addition to many homes, from the traditional to the modern. It lends a bespoke touch to any home that has it and serves many practical purposes too. For example, wrought iron is a popular security installation. It is about as strong as they come, and malleable as well. That means it can be bent into all manner of striking and beautiful shapes. But perhaps the greatest draw card of decorative wrought iron, apart from its stunning looks, is its durability. If you go any stately building in the country, chances are you'll see some wrought iron fittings on it somewhere. In a lot of cases, those stunning decorative wrought iron pieces are over 100 years old. So what is the secret behind such unrivaled durability? Well, it's a combination of things. First, there's the inherent durability of wrought iron. It's a tough material that will outlast most others under any conditions. But that is not to say that wrought iron doesn't need some care. Like the finest timber furniture, decorative wrought iron will last lifetimes with the right care. Scrap metal art is taking old, used metal objects and putting them together to form an art piece. Artists can turn scrap metal into a lot of various different types of art in every style imaginable. Some artists make small tabletop art pieces, others make huge sculptures, and yet others make wall-hanging pieces. When it comes to scrap metal art, there are no rules or expectations. You can make your artistic vision a reality. Artists generally use steel because it is the most widely available scrap metal, the easiest to put together, and requires the lowest equipment cost. Scrap metal art is fairly easy to get started in. The required equipment can be had for a few $100s, and the scrap metal used in the art is either cheap or free, depending on where and how it is found. Scrap metal art can take on just about any form. Sometimes deciding what to make can take as long as actually making it because the possibilities are endless. The best part about making scrap metal art is that there are no rules. If you want to make a giant cow sculpture out of car parts, you can. Abstract pieces? Yep. A giant pirate ship? You bet. An interesting mailbox post? You can do that too. It generally is best to start small, and as you progress you can make larger and more intricate pieces. Keep in mind, if you decide to make some tall scrap metal art, you will need to have an appropriately weighted base to keep it from tipping over. Overall, scrap metal art is a fun hobby using cheap materials. Other than the initial cost of equipment, it is relatively inexpensive. Eventually you may be able to sell your art or do commission pieces and recoup some of your costs. creative you've watched so far. You can share your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you like today's content. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also press the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching us until the end.